Everyone here is so intrigued by your story, Aaron. Please do go on. Everyone here is so intrigued by your story, Aaron. Please do go on. Faye, I never really liked you that much, but right now, I really don't like you. Please get out before I bite off your tail. Hello, Rory. How are you today? Looking for a beta female? I'm all beta right here. Good evening, everyone. Orin has taken control over Harren's pack, which was our last hope for outnumbering the greater pack. We must seek out lone wolves. Rory! You're such a funny wolf. Now get up, you big brute. We've got things to see and wolves to do. Wait, that came out wrong. It is with a heavy heart that I announce that Pebble has disappeared. He has been missing for 3 days. No sign of him from other packs. It is with a heavy heart that I announce that Pebble has disappeared. He has been missing for 3 days. No sign of him from the other packs.